Today we're exploring natural sciences here at the University of Nottingham. We'll talk about how you can shape your own interdisciplinary degree, the opportunities available, and why this course could be perfect for your future. Welcome, Barbara.
Thank you.
So who is the natural sciences degree for?
So I would say it's for students that are passionate about more than one scientific subject, and they don't want to limit themselves to study one single subject at university. So they are for those that they are really interested in the boundaries and the overlap between different scientific disciplines, and they might want to see how, for example, biology and psychology intersect in neuroscience and behavior, or how we can use both science and chemistry to help us understand things like climate processes or mineral resources.
That's really helpful, thank you. And why study natural sciences? Why is an interdisciplinary background so important?
So if we think about the major global challenges that we face as a society nowadays, which could be climate change, it could be antibiotic-resistant bacteria, it could be food security. This will not be resolved by a single scientific discipline, but it will require a collaborative approach from different scientific areas, and it will require people that can think across the boundaries of different areas. So if we're thinking about the major breakthroughs that are happening nowadays, they are in the interface between chemistry and biology, or biology and maths, and so on. Just to use an example, if we think about a recent Nobel Prize in chemistry that was awarded for the use of artificial intelligence to use for the design and the determination of protein structure. And that was awarded to 3 scientists, one of them being a British scientist, Demis Hassabis, who had a very interdisciplinary background himself. So his academic background is in computer science for his undergraduate, but also neuroscience for his PhD. So you can see that actually knowledge from different scientific areas really help you to make the big breakthroughs that are happening nowadays.
That sounds fascinating. What is the structure of the natural sciences course? So what core modules do all students take?
So in year 1, the students choose 3 science subjects out of 9 different ones available, and they study them in equal amounts. This gives them an opportunity to explore something that they might have enjoyed at pre-university and want to see how it's taught at university level, or also gives them an opportunity to study something that they might not have had the chance to do before. So that could be, for example, cancer sciences or archaeology. Once they move into year 2, they drop one of the 3 subjects and continue with the other 2, and they study in more depth. All natural sciences students, irrespective of the stream or the combination of subjects study, they take core modules throughout the degree. So in year 1, they take an academic and a transferable skills portfolio, and that helps them to settle into university, but also develop the study and the study skills and the transferable skills that they require to succeed throughout the degree. Then in year 2, they take a module on science and society, where they explore how data, bias, and social context influence scientific research. And then finally, in year 3, they do a group interdisciplinary project where they tackle a real-world problem that links to one or more of the UN Sustainable Development Goals. So students will bring different backgrounds and expertise to the group. Could be someone with math and physics background, someone with chemistry and biology, and it's how everyone contributes to solving that real-world problem.
Thank you. What opportunities are available during the degree?
So there are plenty of opportunities for natural sciences students at Nottingham. So all of them, irrespective of the stream that they're studying, or whether they're doing a BSc or an integrated master's MSci, they can apply for an industrial placement or study abroad. So for industrial placement, it's an opportunity to apply that knowledge in a professional settings and get some practical experience. Also perhaps to explore a career they might be interested in but unsure whether they want to pursue that after graduation. And they get support from the Careers and Employability Service, but also subject specialist teams to find those placements. They also have the option to do a study abroad, which they will be with one of our partner universities. And this may vary from one year to another, but there is either in an English-speaking country, could be Ireland, could be New Zealand, could be Australia, or at a university where teaching is in English, even if the main language in that country is not English. So examples of that is South Korea or Sweden. And then if they're doing a BSc, they have the opportunity to take an extra year in computer science. So obviously they're developing skills in computing and programming. And also the opportunity to do an extra year in data analytics and AI. That's for those that are not doing maths for year 2, and gives them skills in mathematics, statistics, and computing, which will really help them with, really helps them to define or tailor the expertise towards the future career goals.
Thank you. And is the course accredited? And what external engagement opportunities are there?
Yeah, so the course, it is indeed accredited by the Society for Natural Sciences, and the Society also organizes an annual student conference, so the students have the opportunity to present their work nationally, but also to network with other students studying natural sciences across the UK. And they're also doing a student academic journal, so the students have also the opportunity to publish their work throughout the degree.
And what is the student community like?
So I would say that was one of the strengths here at the Natural Sciences in Nottingham. We have a very good peer mentoring scheme, but also a Natural Sciences Society, and they're both led by the students. So this helps the students, provide support from pastoral, academic, and social contexts. They organize a wide variety of activities, from pub quizzes, but also career events where they bring alumni to talk about their career paths. And that brings a very strong sense of community. And then the students know each other from different streams, but also across the years throughout the degree.
Thank you. And what kind of careers does a natural sciences degree lead to? So,
as you can imagine, the different backgrounds will have different career opportunities, which means it's a wide variety. But I think the key is that it opens doors. So students can opt to apply for careers or jobs that the single subject students can also apply to. So they can, if they study mathematics as part of the natural science degree, they can also apply for the same roles as a mathematics student, but opens the door to other opportunities that, for jobs that might require interdisciplinary thinking and knowledge from more than one scientific discipline together. So it could be areas of sustainability or climate change and so on.
That's really great to hear. Thank you so much for joining us, Barbara.
Thank you for having me.
We've covered the flexibility of natural sciences, the choice of subjects, and the opportunities for placements, study abroad, or extra skills development. If you're interested in a degree that opens doors across science, research, and global challenges, Nottingham is the perfect place to start. To find out more, visit our website, check out our course pages, or come along to an open day. We can't wait to meet you and answer any questions you have.